Hey there, it's Dori at nextstagedrumming.com. I am just here to give you a few quick tips. I'm not necessarily going to do a drumming tutorial, although I am going to throw in some drumming for illustration purposes. Now, in drumming, as in life, if you want to move your skills forward, you need to ask yourself the following 4 questions. Are you ready? Number 1, what's your goal? If you don't know what it is, how are you going to hit it? Number 2, why is it important to you? What will happen when you hit this goal? Number 3, what's your timeline? If you don't give yourself a deadline, then you're leaving it wide open and chances are you're not going to hit that goal. Who are we kidding? Number 4, how will you get there? Who or what do you need? Generally speaking, you need to probably schedule some time on Google Calendar, whether it's practicing drums or writing a book or whatever, in order to complete that goal. Okay, for example, one of my goals on the drum kit was to learn how to play bigger fills faster. Now keep in mind, I'm self-taught. I haven't been playing on the kit for very long, just a few years. I started out as a percussionist many years ago and kind of transitioned over here at a very late age, by the way. You're never too old. It's never too late to rock what you got. Remember that. Okay, so I'm listening to these songs and what I'm hearing, because I play by ear, is da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. To translate that from drummer speak to counting, that's a 10-beat fill. All right, so you know that you only have a certain amount of time to get around the drum kit before you totally go off tempo. So what I would recommend is practicing slowly first and then speed it up. You want to start on your hi-hat and snare first to just kind of get the groove going. And then you're going to move over. So 10 beats would be 3 beats on the snare, 3 on tom 1, 3 on tom 2, and smack the right cymbal. Okay, so you're going to go. Okay, slow motion. A lot of people could do that straight out of the gate. If you wanted to make it faster, though, to actually fit the song that you're trying to play to, then you just gradually increase your speed. And there you go. If I had more toms and more cymbals, it would sound even cooler. But you got to work with what you have, where you are right now, and then you build from there. If you wanted to learn how to play faster hits on the hi-hat, same thing. You just go a little bit slow first. And then speed it up. There you go. So if you want to move your skills forward, you got to have some ample time that you have set aside to do this. You're certainly not going to hit your goals just by doing something 5 minutes once in a blue moon. So make sure that you commit to your goal. Keep practicing. And if you need anything, just shoot me an email, Dori at nextstagedrumming.com. And, let's chat. I'm a mentor, a motivational speaker, and a drummer. So if I can't help you, I might know somebody who can. Keep on rocking, my friends.